Easy now, easy. You are safe with me, Habibti. Just relax.
While the adults are being shorn, this calf displays the luxurious coat that makes baby camel hair the highest grade.
Keep it coming, you're good.
Watch the forklift on your right.
We need that stack.
The contrast is clear. The rough guard hair on the left must be meticulously separated from the luxurious down fiber on the
A conveyor belt with vertical metal spikes moves upwards. It grabs clumps of the raw wool.
The raw wool plunges into the first scouring tank. At 50 degrees Celsius, the hot water instantly dissolves.
After the final squeeze, the wool is perfectly clean, damp, and ready to be dried.
The damp wool mat is carried by the perforated metal belt into the intense heat of the oven tunnel, where the moisture rapidly evaporates.
A stark contrast. We reject the coarse, stiff fiber seen here.
This represents tons of potential luxury coats.
There it goes. Watch the dust. Incredible how much it compresses.
The wool from different bales is mixed together here in the blending silo. This ensures
The blended wool enters the carding machine. A spiked apron lifts the fluff and feeds it into the first set of rollers.
The thin web is gathered through a funnel, condensing into a thick, continuous rope. This is called a sliver.
The fibers slide past each other perfectly parallel, like a deck of cards spreading out.
The thick sliver is stretched out thinner and given a very slight twist. It is wound onto bobbins. It is now called roving, ready for spinning.
The Maratha winding machine rewinds the yarn. A visible jet of compressed air splices the yarn ends. Preparing the vertical threads, or warp, for the loom. Thousands of threads merge into one. The fabric runs through a warm bath to remove tension and any spinning oils. Brushing the slightly wet fabric creates this wavy, rippled texture. This is the signature look